we were told about this guy who heads this hiking group here in the mountain, and we were told that we should speak with him. We spoke with him, and he told us that today, Saturday, that we were coming on a hike to this Yadim Waterfall. And the beauty was that we have already researched this, and it's one of the places we wanted to visit. So this morning we called him. After a long time, we were able to arrange, and we met. The drive here was very not good at all. The road is very bad. A 28-kilometer drive took us, I'm sure, over an hour or something, you know, before we got to the place where we parked our car. And then from there we started the hike. I must tell you, I've hiked, this is the third hiking I'm doing in about a week, and it is tiring and exhausting. We just got some supplies. Gashi. Tell me a story from there. Tell me share a story that is very interesting. This is interesting. Beginning of the trail where we start walking. Shadrach has done it before, so he will be my guide.
You can see the waterfall from afar.
Yeah, it's a
zoom in.
Yeah, it's
that's where we're going.
Okay. Oh, there's a briefing here. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Territory.
So everyone has a stone that represents you. You're gonna leave it here before they all step out. Let's go. Mine.
We're going to use that stone later on.
Yeah.
That stone represents you because you are here today.
All the way from there, we call it
Ugi. Yes, that's the name of
this place.
Of this particular place. Yes, the Yadim is the whole community.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hannah is not feeling too fine. I know she was looking somewhere in the car, but I don't know why she's feeling that way. She said her stomach is off or something. So. All right.
You're not going.
I want to say yes, YouTube. Yes, so even though I don't know what to say.
I'll feeling sick in the car. So I decided that she should stay behind, but there's no point in going on this hike when she's not feeling 100%. She wanted to try. I know she would have, but I don't think that would be nice for me to allow her to do that. So, okay, guys, let's go. That's the waterfall up there in the mountain. That's where we're going to. I hope that music is one thing I don't want to. Let's just cut that off. Okay, we're taking off now at 10:41. You guys can see. let's see how long it takes us to get there. This is beautiful.
Or you go reach that place, you go find some people already.
We've been told that the trek is about an hour or so, or over an hour.
I cannot back you. I can't back you. Hey.
Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah.
All right, guys. It's this is the first time we're going on a hike like this, and Hannah is not with us. She's always the one with a lot of energy, the ones that want to push you. I mean, it's just sad to see her stay behind after we come all this way. Probably, I hope by the time we get back. Bros. Yeah, okay. I do.
Yeah. I'm drinking Yako yogurt.
Yako
Admiral yogurt.
Yeah, kai ka siyo guda ɗaya ne.
Eh, ni ma yanzu aka bani kyauta.
Okay.
God. Yeah.
Alright, we just got into another stream. I've just been told that this is just the beginning. We're still on flatland. Very soon, we'll get to a place they call Boda. That's where we'll start climbing. Wow. This place is beautiful. Kind of reminding me of the Dosa Mamaki. I don't know whether this one is higher or that one is, but I don't know how the difficulty of climbing will be. But it's one of those things you have to experience. If you guys have watched that video, people were coming down. I was shouting that my legs were about to give way. You know, it felt like you're doing a free fall. Look at the waterfall there. That's where we're going. Top there. Why do they call this place Boda? Okay.
From here we start the climb.
Okay.
I surprised when I saw her.
So we've reached the place they call Boda. People are sitting and getting some rest. I have to do the same. And defenders, you know. So this is like uncharted route because everything has gone here. There's no path, but I'm sure they know the way. The rest really came in handy because the sun is scorching and see all the people all in front.
What if you like this place, fine. But I put like I will confirm you on this one.
No,
Uncle,
I was thinking of how I'm going to
The fact is that you're climbing little by little, which is nice. But how you get to know that you're climbing is your breath start changing. You breathe a bit heavier. I can hear waterfall from here, but obviously that's not where we're going yet. The one we're going is way up in the mountains. It's just bush. Oh. The time now is 11:13. I can feel my heart beating.
I don't know how to do my sound. Yes. You call it too bad, you see? That is why I didn't want to stress you. But you can't too bad. I told you now. Didn't I tell you in the car? This guy will take Uber. Not the small. It's like too bad.
5 bucks I am carrying. 5.
Wow.
I'm strong.
One I'll put you out.
You can hear the fall. I'm sure it has stages. This is one of the lower stages here. I can hear it there.
I can't even hide it. It's more practical. Yeah.
There's a waterfall there.
No, be any problem. Be careful. They have to make it tough for you. They will definitely get
Please, help. Oh,
I'm telling you.
Man, if I say I'm not lying.
Bravo! Let's go! Move!
Hello.
Your money bring over here.
I need to get to deep rest.
Let's go there.
Let's go.
Abba, man of God. I don't understand the chair.
Let's go.
Last time we had no go.
Careful.
Yana kan saman kan gado. Ya kamata Jamima tana shago.
Oh, sorry.
Amuna so ka ne ga aura ne.
Yeah, okay, no? Do you guys have an idea how high this mountain is?
Seriously, I don't have a but landlords, they may have an idea.
Okay.
Maybe we'll go down there, we'll ask it.
Okay. I want to know how many meters we've climbed. I can hear the waterfall louder here. Someone is coming.
No, it's just up here. We start going down.
Oh, where those who are going down, so?
Yes, they just go to the some people are already there.
Yeah, people are already there. So guys, this is Yadim Waterfall.
It is in Adamawa State here. It's a beautiful place to behold, and it is very, very tiring to come, especially when you're not a regular hiker. Like me, I'm not a regular hiker. It was hard, but we came. Let me show you what it is. That's it there. Let's go. Now that beach down the summer. Apa yang nyacam? So how long have you been coming here? Me? Yeah. Nebu. Okay. So how did you find the climb? Wow. She was the first to get here. She's used to climbing things like this. I didn't come with whatever I'm going to swim with, so I'm just going to sit and watch people enjoy their day. I'm going to enjoy myself watching them. Guys, let me get a place to see. This waterfall. We left early this morning. Before then, we were told about this guy who heads this hiking group here in Adamawa, and we were told that we should speak with him. We spoke with him, and he told us that today, Saturday, that they were coming on a hike to this Yadim Waterfall. And the beauty was that we have already researched this, and it's one of the places we wanted to visit. So this morning we called him. After a long time we were able to arrange, and we met. The drive here was very, very not good at all. The road is very, very. A 28-kilometer drive took us, I'm sure, over an hour or something, you know, before we got to the place where we parked our car. And then from there we started the hike. I must tell you, I've hiked, this is the third hiking I'm doing in about a week, and it is tiring and exhausting. To tell you the truth, sometimes I feel, man, about to give up or something, but I just tell myself, you're here to show something, just keep pushing, just keep pushing. Unfortunately today, my videographer, she got this stomach issue, and she decided to stay back. I really felt for her, because she was also been looking forward to seeing this place. You know, we're supposed to shoot it. She was supposed to shoot the B-rolls while I shoot the A-roll, but she couldn't make it. She's actually somewhere where we left the car. So we're here now. I'll just grab something to eat a bit, because I'm very tired, not eating. Hey bros, Kachenza. You want to take a swim, man? Yeah. So this is it. This is a small guy carrying our bag. Obviously we have to sort him for doing that for us. I want to know how high this waterfall is. I'll Google it and find out if there's a record for this. Kabane. Aka zaka shiga kai wanka ba. Kai na aka. Oh mo. Oh mo. Hi. You guys are having lunch break? Wow. The wind here is something else. So cool. Local government, Adamawa State, Nigeria. This is Yadim Waterfall. Man. Yeah, let me wipe this. Whoa.
So guys, I'm with the chief hiker here. He's the guy that actually invited me to come along. Tell me about your hiking group.
Was created 2020.
Okay.
Well, it was after the lockdown.
Okay.
COVID-19, that is really 2020.
Okay.
So we feel that there's a need to engage ourselves, to get busy, to do one thing or the other. So we decided that, we form a group. So we started 9 of us.
Okay.
We called the rest of 9, we had the first meeting, then we decided that okay, let's form a group, let's make it open for people to come in. Join us. And online we grow, and we are now more than 8,000. More than 8,000.
Wow, the group.
My name is Comrade Pepe Habila Ige. I've been with this hiking group for almost 6 years now.
Okay.
Yeah, my experience is very, very awesome. It's fun. It's keeping, and it's also a platform where I made a lot of friends.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So in fact, it's a very nice experience.
It's so wonderful, and since I joined this group, I feel like if I go out coming hiking with them, I feel happy, joy, excitement, many things. Wow. I'm so happy. Every day we go out, I'm so happy.
Okay, there's this question I also want to ask. I know climbing up was tiring, but it's like when you get into the water, everything kind of melts away.
Yes, all the tiredness will finish.
Wow.
You are okay. I'm okay now.
All right, thanks for talking to us. I want to ask you, where do you get the strength to be able to climb this rock and carry 3 bags on your back?
It's normal for me.
Wait, hold on. Guys, I was struggling to climb. This guy had 3 people's bag on his back and he was climbing. How do you manage that?
Yeah, I manage. I sabi come here since I come here almost 10
Wow.
I come here this time for 10
times.
10 times I come here. So I already sabi the road. If I see the people I come with them, he didn't carry his back. I
will help them.
Help them.
I can leave
on my back. Yeah.
Okay.
It's normal to me.
All right.
It's too normal.
Voila, it's not normal. This thing is tiring. I'm telling you, but this guy is strong. I swear. When he was saying he was careful that time, I didn't believe. Now I know you are really careful. I just fell and I got a box. I don't know how that came about, right? Crazy. Okay, people are already getting out of the water, some are buying up their things. So, I believe after a short while, we'll be here for a while now. After a while, I'm sure we'll be on our way. Somebody is trying to make me... Oh, somebody just fell. Everybody please go. This water at this place is sleeping. Everybody's getting ready to leave. What did you say about the ride?
It's really fun.
Yeah, it's really fun.
It's a place to be.
Alright. I just wait for the leader. It's good to go with. Since we came out, wait for them now.
Let's go.
20.
So it was really fun then, especially for the fact that I actually thought people were going to leave me because I knew that would be the last. But
I would like to say here that it is an interesting thing to come to a place and you don't know anybody and people take you as if you're their friends from way back. You know, that's the feeling I got being here, I must say. And the only suggestion I would like to make here, though I didn't come prepared, I didn't come with any food like you guys do, but the only thing I would like to suggest, if that will be taken into consideration, let's leave a place better than we met it. By this I mean we took bottled water, we threw them away and we left them there. I think it is good for us to have a paper bag to pack these things the next time we go, so that the place is always better than when we got there. I think it would be a good thing. That was the only thing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then again, just a quick one. If you want to follow me on YouTube, it's Bigwillz, Bigwillz. You know, my name is Wilson, so it's Bigwillz. If you follow, you'll see this video later. All right. Thank you.